guys! Welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on my channel. Thank you. Enjoy! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today, we are going to unbox Carat Bong 17 lights with printed speaker. So my parents bought me at the center. And it only cost 1,894 pesos. The packaging is good and it also has bubble wrap inside. Let's go! Let's unbox it. This is the box. As you can see, it has the roof name. And these are the items inside the box. Here we have the manual, which is written in Korean language, so I need Mr. Google to translate. And here's the lace, the names of the members, and stick. And the Carat Bong version 2 itself. To unlock it, twist the bottom part. We need 3 AAA batteries. So I bought 3 AAA batteries at the store. So let's put the batteries in. And put it back here. To put it back, twist the bottom part again in reverse. Now, let's slide it up. 3, 2, 1. And even flashes. Wow. Whoa. This is the Carat Bong version 2 Bluetooth. Now, let's connect it to Bluetooth.
First, download the 17 application in your Android or iOS phone. Second, try to connect your LightStick to the application. Remember, wait until the product turns blue. Keep your product close to your phone. You may register. Then, you will see the select mode. Select whatever color you like and how much brightness you prepared.
After the series of testing, we have selecting mode. Number 1, party. Number 2, therapy. Number 3, candle. And number 4, coloring. Now, I'm gonna put the lace into the LightStick. that's it. This is our Carat Bong Bluetooth version. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!